Good morning students, class 10th, how are you? And today we are going to start exercise 4.4. But before starting of the exercise, we have to clear some concept, okay? This concept is related to nature of roots. For finding nature of roots of a quadratic equation, we will have this discussion, okay? See it. We all know quadratic equation, it is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. For finding nature of roots, we have to find out the discriminant. That is represented by the letter D, and the value of discriminant is find out by b square minus 4ac. This is the formula of finding the discriminant, okay? When we will solve it, b square minus 4ac, when we will solve it, then three things will happen. Case first, if the value of d comes positive, means it is greater than 0. It means roots are real and distinct. Case second, if the value of d comes equals to 0, it means roots are real and equal. Case third, if d is negative, negative means d is less than 0, then no real roots exist. I am just repeating it, just focus on it. अगर d की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आती है, मतलब 0 से बड़ी आती है, इसका मतलब है रूट्स आपके हैं रियल एंड डिस्टिंक्ट. दिस इज अवर केस फर्स्ट. इन अवर केस सेकेंड, अगर d को सॉल्व किया जाए, उसका आंसर आए 0, मीन्स d इक्वल्स टू 0. इसका मीन्स है आपके रूट्स है रियल एंड इक्वल. केस थर्ड, अगर d की वैल्यू आती है नेगेटिव, ओके, नेगेटिव मीन्स लेस देन 0. इट मीन्स नो रियल रूट्स एग्जिस्ट, ओके. And now we will start our exercise. So see it and listen to me very carefully. Thank you. Okay students, now see question number 1 of exercise 4.4. It is saying that first of all we have to tell the nature of roots, and if roots are real then we have to find them, okay. First part, see, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. Here a is 2, b equals to minus 3 and c equals to 5. Okay, we all know that we have to take the coefficients with their sign, okay. So first of all we will find d. D is b square minus 4ac. Put the value of b, a and c in the formula. On solving we will get minus 31. See, d equals to minus 31. It means d is less than 0. And if the value of d is less than 0, it means no real roots exist, okay. Now see part second. In part second, quadratic equation given is 3x square minus 4 root 3 x plus 4 equals to 0. A is 3, b equals to minus 4 root 3 and c is equals to 4. So first of all find d. D means b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values of b, a and c in the formula. On solving, the value of d will come 0, okay. Since d is equals to 0, it means roots are real and equal. So first part is done. In this case we have to find out the value of roots also. So we will use the quadratic formula, x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute the values of b. In place of b square minus 4ac we can put 0 because it is already solved, okay. So on solving this, the answer will come 2 root 3 upon 3. Since the roots are equal, so we can say roots are 2 root 3 upon 3 and 2 root 3 upon 3. Is it clear? Okay. Now come on question number 2. In question number 2 it is already said that roots in this case are real and equal. So we have to find out the value of k that is missing in the quadratic equation. So how to find it? First of all write a. A is 2 here, b equals to k and c is 3, okay. Since roots are real and equal, so we can use the formula d equals to 0. D means b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Substitute the values of b, a and c in the equation. So it will come k square minus 24 equals to 0, okay. Now see, so we can transpose 24 to right hand side. So transpose it. So k square equals to 24, and then we have to send square, it will go in square root. It will go plus minus root 24 because we all know that the value of k can be positive also and negative also, okay. So solve the square root, do the factors of 24. So 2 will come outside. So our needed answer is k equals to plus minus 2 root 6. Now come on part second. If you will see part second, the question given is kx bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. This is not written in a proper way. So first of all open the bracket, send kx inside. When it will go, then it will get multiplied with x. It will become kx square. With 2, it will become minus 2kx plus 6 equals to 0. Now our quadratic equation is in a proper way. Okay. So value of a is k, value of b is minus 2k, value of c is 6. So we can use it. D equals to 0. It means b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Substitute the value of b, a and c. So it will become 4k square minus 24k equals to 0. Okay. See it. So anything is coming common here? Yes, 4k. So take the 4k common. So we will get either 4k equals to 0 or k minus 6 equals to 0. Solve it. In one it will come k equals to 0. In second thing it will come k equals to 6. But if you will see the answer, then 0 is not considered in the answer. Why? Because quadratic equation will not exist as coefficient of x square cannot equals to 0. See the quadratic equation. If x square will become 0, that means our quadratic equation will not exist. That's why we had not taken the value k equals to 0. So our answer will be k equals to 6. Okay. You all have to complete question number 1 and question number 2 of this exercise in your copies in a very proper way. Okay. Thank you.